Hey my Tea Party Squad, welcome back to my channel. So in this video, I wanted to share with you guys what I got for my August monthly subscription from Also Paper. So if you love Also Paper just as much as I do, then make sure you stick around because I am going to be opening this and going through the items. All right, so first up is the sticker of the month. This month theme is going to be the reset, which I think is really cute. Look like we're going to be donating some things and maybe hanging out with some friends. But this is the sticker of the month. You may see this again in a different form, but this is the sticker of the month for this subscription box. All right, so next up is going to be the reset magnet, and this is going to be, I believe it's number 16 for me, and I am still going to be doing a video for you guys, let you see my collection of my Also Paper magnets, but I am super glad to be adding this to my planner cart, which is all decked out in these beautiful magnets. So there we go, and this is what it looks like on the back. Super cute. All right, so next up is the reset postcard. And we normally get this in our subscription box and it goes with the theme of the month. And I just love this. My happy place right now that I'm in is my craft room. And I just love this because she is in her craft room, getting all the things done and just doing a total reset. I just love how this looks, a little pegboard. And if you don't want to use it as a postcard, you can definitely buy a picture frame from Dollar Tree and actually put this inside that picture frame and act as a decorative piece in your craft space. All right, next up is my favorite. This is the Reset sticker book. It is a 10-sheet sticker book and it has 187 stickers. And this is what it looks like on the back, just in case I forget. And if you are new to Also Paper or you never heard of Also Paper, but you like seeing my haul that I do monthly of my subscription to them, you can definitely check her out at Also Paper and definitely check her out on Instagram as well. So I'm going to do a quick flip through for you guys so you can see the Menonista dolls for the month. So at the top here, we have Menonista doll Colette. We have a beautiful quote sticker that says, "The best way to get something done is to begin." Okay, I'm gonna read that again. The best way to get something done is to begin. So just in case one of you may need to hear that, just go ahead and just start. That's the best way to get something done. Down at the bottom, we have Menonista doll Tracy. Next up, we have beautiful Regina. I love her outfit. It's so cute. Have the off-the-shoulder blouse. Then we have some quote stickers here. This one says, "The harder you work, the greater you'll feel when you achieve it." This one says, "Organization is a practice, not a project." Again, that is a beautiful quote. And I think I'm going to put this somewhere in my craft room, this quote that says, "Organization is a practice, not a project." At the bottom, we have Menonista doll Janae in her yellow and blue. Next, we have Shay and Katie. And then now we come to our decorative boxes. And then she also gives us some functional boxes in here so we can have a complete or have a complete spread, excuse me. So here we have decorative stickers. So we have Menonista dolls taking time to reset and just take time to just read a book. Next we have Menonista dolls just kind of donating and decluttering, definitely trying to get some organization done. At the bottom or in the middle, we have Menonista dolls reorganizing their craft space, something that I am going to be doing and I will be sharing with you guys really soon. And then we have a Menonista doll at her craft space getting some projects done. And then we have some header stickers here. And then here we have some colorful boxes to definitely go with the Menonista dolls on the side. And I like how she gives us some more colorful boxes here too without the Menonista dolls. And then we get some Menonista dolls here at the bottom. And then we get some washi strip stickers. These are also great to complement your spreads or just add a little pop of color to our spreads too. And then here we have clear stickers that says "to do," "note to self," "payday," and "bill due." And then we get some of these quote stickers here. I like this one that says, "For every minute organizing, an hour is earned." All right, now we get some more decorative stickers to add to our spread. So we get Menonista dolls, we got some boxes, some books, all of the organization things. If you are doing a organization project, comment down below and let me know what you're working on this month, because I definitely am going to be doing that really, really soon, especially when the kids go back to school. I'll have more time to do that. So I'm really excited to get that started. And I believe that's the last page. Let's double check. Yeah. So that's the last page. So I hope you guys enjoy me flipping through and let you guys see what the Menonista dolls are for the month of August. Also comment down below which Menonista doll was your favorite. I don't think I have a favorite yet, but anyway. So this is the mystery item. And I'm really excited because we got some Menonista dolls here. I'm not quite for sure where I'm going to put this in my craft space. But I believe this is like a dry erase board. Let's see. So yeah, it's a dry erase board and it's actually a magnet. So I definitely have to find somewhere in my craft room where I can actually stick this to, because I don't have much places other than my planner cart to put this on. So I don't know. I may end up just leaving it on my desk probably like this. And look, y'all, it came with a dry erase marker. How convenient. And so I'm going to test it out. So I might end up having this on my desk just kind of as like a quick little reference. Let's do, Motivation Monday. Just trying to test it out. So it writes really good. And I'm going to let that dry. And I just like how she just has all the Menonista dolls for the month all on this little space here. And look at that. I love this. So I definitely am going to be using this on my desk as like a little quick note taking, maybe pre-planning for the next month for the days, either for my video or for social media of some sort. So yeah, make it happen. All right, y'all. So that was all the items that I received in my subscription box for the month of August from Also Paper. Again, don't forget to comment down below what Menonista doll was your favorite. Again, we had a Menonista doll Colette. We had Tracy, Regina, Janae, Shay, and Katie. So please comment down below and let me know which was your favorite. So if you are new to my channel, I want to welcome you here. I am Takoa, also known as Southern Tea Time, and I do hope you enjoy these types of videos. And I also share videos where I will be using these items in my spreads throughout the week. So if you want to continue to see more of that and be down with the tea party, I would love for you to subscribe to my channel and make sure you check me out on Instagram as well. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.